Hi.
Dude, check it out. Fried food. For Hanukkah, I got a deep fryer. And this is my first time using it. It's like 2 months later, right? But, dude, I've been wanting to make this for like 6 months. What do you think of some fried seitan?
It was delicious.
Hail seitan? Alright, no comment. So, I guess this is the first recipe video I've done in like 3 weeks, which is insane because I've actually been making recipe videos on YouTube for like 3 years. And this is the first time I haven't put a video up in a week. Well, I did put a video up. I put my tattoo video up. It just wasn't a food video. Dude, it's kind of embarrassing, like, the tattoo video. I mean, I love the video. I'm glad it came out good. I was so fucking worried it was just not gonna come out right. But it's kind of embarrassing, like, gushing about a grown-ass man and then, like, emailing him. I emailed him and I was like, here's the link. Cause he said awesome on Instagram, but that's not really like feedback. It's like awesome that I tagged you in Instagram. Like, did you watch the video? So I emailed him and I was like, what'd you think of the video as a whole? And I was like, does that sound right? Should I say like, not just about me gushing about you? What'd you think of the story? I didn't know what to say. I just felt really insecure. So I hit send and then I got an auto reply that's like, this email no longer is the email due to spam. Use this new email, you know, whatever. And I like, but I didn't check my email. Like, I sent him that email and then for like hours I was just feeling very uncomfortable. And then I checked my email and I saw the auto reply and I completely felt like off the hook. Like, he's not gonna see my email. And then like the next day or whenever the fuck I checked my email, Nick replied and was like, he just said really nice things about the video, like a lot of enthusiasm. He definitely appreciated the video and I didn't feel like such a nerd.
You did good.
I did. I tried my best. And then I made the world's largest vegan chicken nugget. Dude, this shit was huge. The powder alone was over a pound. Of flour, it was like 520 grams. Like, a pound is like 460 grams. This is like well over a pound of fucking gluten flour, and then we add all the other stuff, and it's just like, dude, this is a fuckload of food. We should go to the Asian store and see if they have like one of those baskets for deep frying so that I maintain all of my hands and fingers. Oh my god, look at that. This shit is insane. When you were taking pictures of me holding it, I just flipped out. I was like, what? That's fucking huge. That's insane. And it is. Bam. This shit is so delicious. Recipe is on the blog if you want to make one. Peace.